Sit. Run. Sit.
Training 101 with TNT FAM.
Ready? Sit.
Y'all, so we about to go in. My boy Diablo done got hot. Diablo, come on. Come on. Diablo. Yo, y'all wanna see what Diesel be doing while he in the back? Is this nigga looking right at me? Dude, back up with us. Back up. That's what I deal with when I come outside with Diesel, bro. This nigga is the definition of a big baby. Like I prefer the pickle. Hey y'all, pause, Alexa.
Hey Alexa, pause.
Alexa be tripping, y'all.
Yeah, gotta catch your whole attitude.
But
and walk off. Just kidding. Too much TikTok. Hi TNT familia.
y'all, we back and it's been a minute. How y'all been? TNT family. So today, as you can clearly see, we're about to do dog food. I'm about to show y'all what we're gonna be feeding them because we did switch it up. And I got a new toy, her ass would like to call it, and it's a pressure washer. So we're gonna be pressure washing the dog cages today and feeding them. And while I'm feeding them, she's gonna be.
I'm gonna be cooking, y'all. I'm hungry. Be hungry, so feed the dogs and I'll cook.
Yep. And other than that, bro, y'all just stay tuned because we're gonna show y'all what kind of dog food we got or what kind of dog food we switched to. So. Okay, y'all, let's get into this dog food.
Este gato. So y'all, while Bay is over here, I'm talking to Juice and me mom. Say hi, ma. Hi, dog. Say hi to YouTube. Where are you recording? Look.
Y'all now add water. Y'all should know the routine. We do
Dile
this
que le
all
mande
the
el recibo
time.
o ella tiene que hacer.
Yeah, if y'all watch our videos, y'all know how we feed the bullies by now. All right, TNT family. So right here, I'm adding the water. I'm gonna add the rice, but I didn't really let the sound play out on this because some personal information was being told. But I'm gonna give a better in-depth version. So stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to see exactly what ingredients and everything that we use and what we put in our dog food. So let's stir this up. Food is mixed up. Now let's go feed these bulls. All right, first up is Diesel. Sit down. Sit down. Let's show him. Eat. Yeah. Eat. That's Gunner, y'all. Diablo. Eat. Mamacita. You better not. Eat. You gotta train them all, y'all. You gotta train them all. Now we got Dior down here. Eat. And last but not least, Medusa Obligata. Dude. This is like, chill out, bro. I'm trying to eat. Jesus. Dior. Gun. Diablo. Excuse me, Medusa. These are already finished, y'all. My boy got big, huh? He already pushing. That's crazy. Jesus. And that's why we're cleaning the cages today, y'all. So y'all stay tuned to see how that goes. Cause they're kind of dirty. They ain't that dirty. They're kind of dirty. Yeah, Gunner, you done? Dior, you done? Watch out. Medusa done. You done, Medusa? And last, I still got Diablo. So y'all, the great thing about my cages is I can split them. And so basically what I do when I pressure wash the cages is I split the cages. So as you can see, Gunner's on this side right here. I just slide this into here. Slide that on there. But you gotta make sure it goes through the back. So you'll lift it up and make sure it's in there. So once it's in there, you take this little clamp right here and you pull it like that. That way it don't slide out. You see? And now Gunner's on one side and I'm gonna put Medusa on the other. And Diablo's up here and Mamacita's gonna go in there. And y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so now that's how it looks with both dogs on each side. And this is the cage we're about to clean. You ready?
Yeah.
Y'all, so this is the pressure washer I got. And she got it off Amazon.
So y'all, babe's gonna clean the cages while I go to Burlington.
She's not going to Burlington. We gonna see this. This room. She crazy, y'all. She crazy. So y'all, we gotta fill this tube up with soap. And I was telling her that's why girls don't have dicks, right? Look, keep it in the hole, fool.
Yeah.
Do it.
You're exposing me. Damn, I said a lot.
Most of the soap outside the bottom.
Got to be more careful. Here. You can take
They like, ain't nobody cleaned up the rice from earlier.
Oh!
Mind your business.
I didn't
Mind
get
your
it.
business.
Well, we just ate.
It's raining, y'all. We gonna cut.
All right, y'all, we back. We're gonna try to do this as fast as possible. All right, y'all, pressure washer time.
Bruh, this pressure washer Bay got me actually was good and really saved me a lot of time, man. Go get you one straight off Amazon, bruh. But I try to speed this part up. That way y'all won't get bored because we got a lot more in tune for this video. We got a special guest coming and y'all just stay tuned for the rest.
Sorry, y'all. Y'all are away now.
Y'all the leaf blower broken. That's what I would have dried it with. Oh shit. It's good, huh?
Alright, y'all, we done already moved the staging cage. I started in base cleaning the other area. While she does that, I'm gonna be out here washing this one. Pressure washer in this one. Yeah, I'm sorry we started late, but it's the second one, and let's get into it. Yo, so we had to come inside because it started raining too hard on us. We just about done. We moved the cage over here. And base putting the tag in. Well, I'm gonna put the rail in. Rest of the bullies are in here. Enjoying their new clean space. So we finally done. And Mama's just over there. In her new clean cage.
Yeah, show them what she do.
This is the effects of Mama C.
Oh, a pretty cute dog.
Look, and there's two next to each other, bro. That's what's crazy.
Obviously, she don't care. And
That's
our
two
baby don't care 'cause we let her
eating
do
walls.
it.
And then
That's not enough for her.
she still be hungry.
She eats twice a day, y'all. And there's another one a little bit down that. I don't know what she be thinking.
Oh!
But she fat as hell, y'all. I don't get it.
Hi. Hi, Hi. What's up, Penny?
But yeah, y'all.
You sitting on the couch all dirty?
I don't know, I'm tweaking. Y'all stay tuned, y'all. Yeah, y'all see that shit?
Hola, Divina. So, as y'all can see, we have the t-shirt on, so you know what that means. We are about to dye our hair because, as y'all can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different hair color tones, so it's not giving no more. So we're about to go in our mature era, and let's fucking do this. Why waste time? Why build regrets, right? This shit look crazy? Why it look weird? Don't they look weird?